Listen, I get it. I get it. You're feeling overwhelmed. You even started a second job. You have started a business. It's not profitable. You're not getting any sales. You're hardly gaining clients to pay you for your services. Maybe even time for retirement. And you're like, oh my God, I have no other bank accounts to live off. What am I going to do? How do I live and to protect myself for many years to come? Listen, I got you. My name is Finance Muslima. I am your money mindset coach. Trust me, I've personally been there. My rock bottom year, 2015, I had no choice but to face my reality and master money mindset. Now you're thinking, why do I trust you? Who is you? I don't know this girl. The money conversation is too hard. I didn't have it in my house growing up. It's way too personable. I get it. Just like you, I provide a safe space for minority women to come and engage and finally get a sense of mental peace and finally reach financial abundance. Click the link and join me at the workshop.